What the fuck, Astro? Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Schiana here, and I am back with a hair tutorial. I haven't done one in a while, so I was like, why not? I've had this wig literally sitting in a box for like months, and it's really bad because I've done a lot of looks, and I probably should have did this a lot sooner because I posted a picture of my story on Instagram, and everybody was like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and make this tutorial for y'all because everybody can slay like I slay because we affordable bitches over here, so why not? This is the quick weave Ashani half wig. I got the little card right here, so this is what it looks like, and I got it in 1B. You really can do this look with whatever half wig you so desire. But I was like, I got this wig and I don't know what the hell to do with it, so we're gonna do a half up, half down style. And here we are. Before we get started, I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all know you need to subscribe because I don't know what you're waiting for. And also make sure you follow me on Instagram because that's where your girl is serving all these fire-ass content. And also make sure you check out any of my other videos and just let me know what you guys want to see more of because, you know, I'm out here making this content, but I want to make sure y'all watching it, okay? Okay. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so as you can see, I have a wig cap on the back, but I'm gonna take this off so you can see what I got going on. So I literally have a braid going across. Like, I parted my hair here. Okay, I'm talking too much. So in order to do this, you know, for longevity, I braided my hair up so it was easier for me. I literally have like 2 pigtails in the back, and then I split my hair down across the middle, and then I split it again there, and I made a braid so that the wig had an anchor and it wasn't pulling on like all of my hair. So I literally just put this all up in my wig cap. And I just kind of push it back just a little, just so when I put my wig on, it has like an anchor ish. And I already done this hairstyle, so the hair is kind of already split on the wig. But basically I just go ahead and pop this bad boy on, and it has a comb here and a comb in the back. So this is definitely a easy, quick hairstyle. So I take my comb in the front first, I brush my hair forward, and then I just kind of anchor that in, and then I just pull the wig on. I did kind of tighten it a little bit in the back with the adjustable straps because I don't like to hook the back one in because it pulls on my hair. So basically what I have going on is I pull a section. Okay, I got a lot going on. Okay, let's pull that back. So my section here, my top section, I've got to pull my hair out of the way because it's annoying. So basically right now we're working on the back part of the wig. So I pull from the side a section to cover up the like messiness here. And I just kind of like pull that over like that so you can't really see it. It's like really just disguised in, and I do the same thing on this side, and I'll just pull that up so you can't really see anything. And then what I do is I basically pull this back. So I have my hair in a ponytail and just the back, and I put it in its own separate ponytail because I want this to be super sleek. Cause your girl ain't got time for no lumps and bumps. So I just do this really tight because this ain't my hair, so it's hella easy to just make that super tight. And then I'll take my own hair and I use my Eco Style. Please ignore my band-aid. I got a paper cut at work and this shit hurt. So I was like, I'm just gonna wrap it up. And I basically just take the gel and I just smooth it out all on my hair. Because this makes it easier so you're not trying to pull all of your hair and the weave together. It's too much work. And it makes it a lot harder on you when it doesn't have to be. And I can't really bend my fingers, so it's super hard to do this right now. So I take my bristle brush and I just brush my hair up in. Alright, so once I've done that, I pulled all my hair up. Now I'm gonna pull all of my hair together with the weave and make this a ponytail. And I just kind of tighten that a little. I have this going on. I don't know what the hell this is. So once I put my hair in the ponytail with the weave, I just pull all of my hair, and then I like to kind of either twist or braid it depending on how I'm feeling, just to kind of make it a little bit smoother. And I wrap it around my ponytail. And then I'll take a bobby pin, just a small one, and I'll just kind of gently poke that in the back. I don't like wrapping it around into the ponytail, like the wrap ponytail, because it gets stuck and it makes it so nappy, and I don't have time for that. So your girl took the easy route and just bobby pinned it down. And then I just like take my weave brush or weave whatever you use, and I just kind of rough up these curls and make it messy. Because I don't like perfect curls. I like brushed out messy curls. If you haven't noticed by now, go ahead and wrap it. And for my edges, I use the Got2b Invisible Gel. They already laid, but some of them is coming up, so I'm just gonna relay them. And I did just basically redo this style for you because, oh, my tummy is rumbling. But yeah. And then I like to kind of play with some of the pieces because this hair is like big. I'll like define some sections, and then some sections I'll like rough up. I'll make them like super messy, but it don't really matter. This is just me nitpicking. So when I rough it up, I literally just kind of brush it out like that. So then I'll take some pieces in between that and just kind of make it more uniform, because I don't want all of it to be messy. I want it to just be messy big. I think I might do a second hairstyle with it and do like a scissor inspired with like maybe bangs or something. I don't know. Just kind of wishful thinking, getting some ideas flowing. But yeah, so this is the hairstyle, guys. I'm obsessed with it, and I hope you guys are super obsessed with this look too, because it's affordable and it's cute, and you can even play around with it and do like a clamp like here or something fun and I don't know, cute or whatever. This is it. Like, this is all you need. And you know, beat your face a little and boom, you done. Like, that is it. You don't even have to beat your face because this hair will do it for you. You just need some lashes and you good to go, boo. Like, that's it. I'm gonna put my earrings in because your girl feel naked. My face is breaking out so bad right now. It's because I've been eating super bad. And my skin is like purging, but that's another story for another video. Yeah, let me know what you guys think of this hairstyle and down below in the comments. And give me some suggestions on what you guys want to see next, because I'm trying to still stay consistent as possible on YouTube. I'm just kind of in a brain fart in ideas, so don't forget to just do that for me. Please just do that for me. And if you got any questions, I'll make sure to link where I got my wig from in the description box, so you guys can know where to get it, and just the more specific names if you forgot. So that is listed for you, and you can do this hairstyle too. But really, like I said before, you can do this with any half wig that you have. I even might play around with this one or do this again with like another half wig, but a different style. So I don't know, you guys let me know if you would be interested in watching something like that. But I do hope you enjoyed this video. Try to 100% make sure I'm staying consistent with these videos and everything like that. But I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.